Hello, my dears. Here's Sally. And if you feel stuck or blocked in yourself or in emotions in your heart or just in your whole surrounding, and you feel everything is full of gravity, heavy, and you want to invite more ease, more happiness, more joy, more positivity in your life, then this meditation is right now for you. Make it comfortable where you are. Relax your face and close your eyes. And ask yourself some question. Why? Why are you blocking yourself? What is behind that you can't be in fully ease right now? How is your grounding? Do you have a good stability right now in your life? How is your opening to your mind, to the sky, to all your connections? And how is your heart? How does it feel inside? Can you feel your heartbeat? Be fully present. Dive deeper into your center, into your heart. And when you fully arrived, stay with the eyes closed, but turn yourself. If you're sitting, what is right now in front of you, you will turn, so it will be the back. You can also make a handstand, but for now, just make it easy. Just turn. And sometimes we just need to switch a little bit from the outside, changing your point of view to change inside. And just feel. How is your feeling right now inside? Are you ready to invite more positivity, more bliss, more joy? What do you want to invite in your life? Feel it, breathe it in, and charge yourself with a smile. A bigger smile, and even bigger. Beautiful. And you're fully charged. Feel free to open your eyes with a new point of view. Attract all the positivity in your life that you want to attract. Thank you so much for joining today. Hope to see you again. Namaste.